Be sure to consult with your pharmacist or physician before starting Fsh-Flx-Prm-Blkbor-Om 3-6-9 No. 6 capsule. If you experience any side effects, be sure to consult your pharmacist or physician for medical advice. In the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Talk to your pharmacist or doctor for more information. Make sure to consult with your pharmacist or physician before taking the Fsh-Flx-Prm-Blkbor-Om 3-6-9 No. 6 capsule. It's important to keep a list of all your medications and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of this medication. If someone takes too much of this medication and experiences severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, they should call for emergency medical assistance immediately. In the US, residents can contact their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Unfortunately, there is no official information available about Fsh-Flx-Prm-Blkbor-Om 3-6-9 No. 6 capsule at the moment. Talk to your pharmacist or doctor for more information. When it comes to disposing of this medication, it's important to consult your pharmacist or physician for proper guidance. It's crucial not to flush the medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, make sure to properly discard the product when it's expired or no longer needed. If you're unsure about how to safely dispose of the medication, reach out to your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more details. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.